Mishrit cone. Okay, let's start formula. First formula of trigonometry is number 1, sine A plus B. The formula of sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Similarly, in number 2, sine A minus B is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. If here is plus, then here plus. If minus, then minus. This trigonometry is very important from class 8 onwards. So before practicing any kind of problem, it's necessary to learn formula. If you know formula and process, so you can get answer. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you. So some formulas I am going to upload. Okay, now in question number 3, cos A plus B is equal to formula of cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Similarly, in number 4, cos A minus B, formula is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now look at here. If here is plus, then here we have to write on minus. If here minus, we have to write on plus. In sine, what will be happen here? If here plus, then here plus. If minus, then minus. But in cos, same opposite. If here plus, we have to write on minus. If minus, we have to write on plus. Similarly, in number 5, tan A plus B, and the formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Similarly, in number 6, cot A plus B, formula cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Similarly, in number 7, tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Similarly, last one, cot A minus B is equal to cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. So here are the formula of compound angles. Multiple, I'm going to write first of all multiple formula, then sum multiple. I will teach you how to find out sum multiple formula. If you know the multiple formulas of trigonometry, then sum multiple formula is very easy to find out. Okay, now first of all I'm going to write down multiple formula. Now here multiple formula. Number 1, sine 2a, and the formula of sine 2a is 2 sine A cos A. Similarly, in number 2, cos 2a, and the formula of cos 2a is cos square A minus sine square A. Another formula is 2 cos square A minus 1. Another formula is 1 minus 2 sine square A, in the form of tan and cot. I will give you later. In number 3, tan 2a. Tan 2a formula 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. I hope you all are understand this formula. And after these are the multiple formula. Now to find out some multiple formula, just in the place of 2a we have to write down A. like sine A is equal to, in the place of 2A we have to write on A, and in the place of A we have to write on A by 2. So we can write 2 sine A by 2 cos A by 2. This one is sum multiple formula. Similarly for cos also, in the place of 2A we have to write down A, and in the place of A we have to write down A by 2. It means cos square A by 2 minus sine square A by 2. Similarly 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. Similarly 1 minus 2 sine square A by 2. And for tan A, the formula of tan A is equal to 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. These are the formula of sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A, and sin A, cos A, tan A. After that, sin 3A formula, cos 3A formula, and tan 3A formula I am going to give you. Number 4, sin 3A, and the formula of sin 3A is 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A, and the sum multiple of this. Now look at here, if here 2A we wrote A and here A by 2, but here 3A, then we have to divide by 3 here. It means sin A is equal to, we can write here 3 sin A by 3 minus 4 sin cube A by 3. Okay. Similarly in number 5, cos 3A, formula of cos 3A, 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, and the cos A formula is 4 cos cube A by 3 minus 3 cos A by 3. Similarly for tan also, tan 3A is equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A 1 minus 3 tan square A. Look at once. After this we have to find out tan A, and the formula of tan A is 3 tan A by 3 minus tan cube A by 3 1 minus 3 tan square A by 3. These are the formula of multiple and sum multiple formula. After this I told you I will give this sin 2A formula in the form of tan, cos 2A formula in the form of tan. Okay, now 7 tan 2A formula is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. 8 sin 2A formula in the form of tan, 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay, I wrote here double to just for compare. If tan 2A, then 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. If sin 2A formula, 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. If sin here positive, if tan then here negative. Similarly cos 2A formula in the form of tan, we can write here 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. These are the formula of multiple and sum multiple formula. From here also you can find out sum multiple. From here also you can find out sum multiple formula. Sin A formula is 2 tan A by 2 1 plus tan square A by 2. Similarly cos 2A is here, formula is this 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. You can find out here cos A also. Cos A means sum multiple. Cos A is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Number 1, formula number 1 is sin C plus sin D, and the formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Similarly, in number 2, sin C minus sin D, formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. In number 3, cos C plus cos D, cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Similarly, in number 4, cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay, this one is some formula. Now look at here. If here is plus, then C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2. If minus, then first you have to write down cos, then sin. If plus, then first sin, then cos. If minus, then first cos, then sin. Okay. Now cos C plus cos D means 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D. Both side cos C plus D by 2 C minus D by 2. If here minus, then we have to write here minus, and both here sin. Sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay. Now in some books this minus is not given. In place of minus they wrote 2 sin C plus D by 2, and here D minus C. It's same thing. When you take common, here will be negative. So you can write 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2 also. This one is formula related with sum. Now related with product. Two sin A cos B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Similarly, 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Similarly, in number 7, 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Similarly, in number 8, 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Now look at here once again. If here is sin A cos B, then here sin, here also sin, and in positive. If 2 sin A cos A means sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay, sin A plus B, sin A minus B, this all formula is already given before. Okay, now to cos A sin B. If cos is front, sin is back, then here minus. Sin cos, then plus. Cos sin, then here minus. Cos cos, then positive. Sin sin, then negative. Try to understand the concept, then you feel very easy to learn these all formula. It's just use techniques. Before starting, use techniques. How to remember these all formula, then easily you can learn these all. It's very simple. Trigonometry is very simple. Just you focus how to understand the formula and process, you will be better in this exercise. Don't feel hard. Thanks for watching my video. Connect with me with my channel. If you have any kind of questions, please comment. You can directly send me mail, or you can directly comment your question. I will upload as soon as possible.